Welcome sa mahiwagang comeback, Anya. So, it's been years ever since I've done a vlog again. So, come with me to a trip with my friends in Tanay, Rizal. But for now, let me pack muna. Okay, hi y'all. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa loob kasi sobrang busy namin mag-put ng gamit sa car. Sa time check. And then, later. Ayun, grabe, ang galing mo dun. Kung saan man tayo pupunta. Dun kami mapapadpad.
Naging PA niya.
Okay, hi. It's 7 or quarter to 7. Ay, quarter to 8. Value. Basta 7:51 na. Just arrived here. We're going to have breakfast first. Hi. Y'all, ang lamig.
Meals yung mga tinagalog.
What?
Yung windmills.
Yeah, over there.
Wait!
Nag-order na kami ng food. They haven't ordered anything yet. Fish or this?
Kasi na kinuha ko yung camera niya kasi sobrang focus niya sa pagsa-cellphone.
Sorry. Kakatapos lang namin mag-TikTok. Nakailang takes kami kasi inaantok kami lahat. Our food just arrived. Wow! Wow, 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 wow. Taste this. Tapos lang namin kumain. Look at our empty plates. We're done with breakfast. It's 9:28.
Yeah, it's nice.
Punta na tayo sa hotel. Pinakita ko yung view! Anyways, we're going to go sa hotel. 1 hour drive pa daw.
Okay. Ano ba? Arte?
Ay! I'll update you guys later. Again. Bye!
Ako din. Hi!
Sobrang init ngayon. Actually, uminit na yung feeling ngayon kasi like kanina umaga it was like around 7 and sobrang lamig pa ng hangin. So, kita nyo naman kung gaano kainit. We're gonna go in the car na and we're gonna go to the hotel later on. I'll update you guys later. Bye, y'all. So, right now, we're on the way sa hotel. Say hi, y'all. Hi. Ano ba ito? Every hour? That's just an update. I'll update you later. We just arrived at Tinipak Lodge. Tinitingnan namin yung place right now. Pero for now, yata mabababa muna kami ng gamit. Here's the place. Tinipak Lodge. So, may pang bonfire sila. This is their bonfire.
Pwede ka pa mag-barbecue, oh.
Nagulat kami kasi tingnan sa SOCMEDS kung ano itsura ng Tinipak. Expectation versus reality daw sila. May kiddie po siya, guys. For Isabel Anya. So, dito lang kami ni Isa. And then, dun sila Chelsea kasi Rian. First of all, we're going to drop our things. Drop our things? Put our things in our room. Kung may room na. Pero, ayun. I'll update you guys again later. So, buhat na namin ang mga gamit namin. We're not gonna do hiking pala today. Tomorrow daw yun. Dapat nag-workout na ako, guys. Kaso, sobrang busy ko this summer. Thank you po. Here's the bed.
Akala pala maganda to. Siguro. Sa akin maganda na. Ano na siya eh. Nakikita tayo sa labas ah. Yeah. Naka-native na. Ano yung aircon?
Hi y'all, I'm back. So, nagkaroon ako ng incident. My shampoo, yung lalagyan niya, sumabog sa bag ko. So, I had to wash everything. Pero yun, na-stress ako sa incident na yun.
She was so stressed and we had to move rooms. So she was
It's my
picking
fault.
up like little things while moving into another room.
Pupunta kami sa ilog. Where are we going, y'all?
Sa river.
River. This is their restaurant. Simple lang siya. tables. May mga life jacket pa sila dito. I'm guessing that's for different activities. I'm gonna update you guys again soon. Nakarating na kami doon. So, see you later. Okay, so we're walking right now. Papunta sa Ilog. Ay, sa river. Is Ilog and river the same?
Yeah.
Ayun, tama.
Pupunta muna tayo sa barangay.
Sa barangay daw muna pupuntahan. I don't know why. Pero,
Permit, kasi baka makasira tayo ng environment. So, syempre, may fee tayo na kailangan bayaran. Meron sila mga rules.
ayun.
Kailangan natin sundan.
Be educated by Isabel Santos. Over? Oh my gosh. Look how
Tama ko, di
high that is.
Kasi yung sa
So far, nag-check-in kami sa barangay daw kasi kailangan daw bayaran. And that's that. Basta they have many rules din eh.
Basta you're not supposed to throw trash.
Yeah.
Bawal
Keep it clean. So what's up? We're back. And kakatapos lang namin sa barangay mag-pay na fee. Today we're having our orientation. Ayan. Kung saan tayo maglalakad, kung saan kami mag-picture taking, or kung saan kami mag-swimming. And they're all listening. At tas ako hindi. See you later. Okay, we're back.
Ayoko sa bata.
We're in a tricycle right now, papunta sa river. And nakala ko
Sa bungad lang.
Sa bungad lang. Sa bungad lang pala. Tricycle kami right now and sobrang init kasi. Bakit tayo nag-tricycle? Akala ko ba lalakarin natin to?
Sila yung may gusto mag-tricycle.
Sila daw may gusto mag-tricycle. Kaya namin lakarin to.
Yeah, cause I love walking.
Ay, may eme niya lang.
Oo, mahilig ako maglakad.
Siyempre, hindi natin mapalaglag yung camera. So, I'll see you guys later. So, we just arrived. And this is it, Pansit. Oh my gosh, it's pretty. The river is beautiful. Pero hinihintay namin sila tita. Kuya, di naman kami mabigat, no? Sige. Salamat, kuya. Bal, where are we? Go! Where you're?
Oo.
We're at the river.
Tinipak
Tinipak River.
Welcome to Tinipak River.
And right now, sobrang hangin. Ang sarap ng hangin.
Yeah,
So,
so,
masarap pag swimming dito. Feeling ko malamig yung water right now. Habang pumupunta kami sa river, we saw a few people walking. And me and Chelsea told ourselves na kaya namin lakarin yun. Pero hindi pala. Sobrang layo ng river, guys. Hindi namin kaya lakarin yun. Ayan siya, guys. Welcome to Tinipak Rock Formation. So, inaamin ko na sa sarili ko, hindi ko kaya ilakad to. Hinihingal na ako agad. What the heck? Pero so far, the place is very beautiful. And mukhang kinukonstruct siya dito, guys. Tingnan niyo.
Kasi,
Ay, wait lang, guys. Video ko yung ano ko. Ayan siya, guys, ang video. Tingnan mo, dalawang camera na hawak ko. Ano to? Ganda, grabe.
niya.
I'm just being cautious. This is a rock that I will go to. Over? Right here, sa isang stone.
Ang galing niya talaga.
one of the rock.
Ang ganda, guys. It reminds me yung isang film ng Don Bell. Love is Colorblind ba yun? Di ba may isang scene na nasa river sila?
Oo, yung dun sa parang...
Yeah, like, Ino is finding his colors. This is not sponsored. Kami kasi mamaya pa mag-swimming. We're gonna walk through there and find out what's there.
Tapos pala, dapat nandito ako sa gitna. Okay?
Sa gitna lang siya, guys.
Decision mo yan sa buhay.
Can I see?
Okay, you ate that. You ate that.
Wait lang,
Okay, do me again. Do me again.
Tingnan nyo, guys. Ako yung nagbablog dito tapos ako ginagawang camera.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 2.
Okay, tara na. Look how strong the wind is right now. Ang sarap ng hangin. We're gonna walk down soon. Ang dami kasing nagpipicture sa amin, guys. Sorry.
3, 2, 1. Hindi ko pa camera.
Matutuloy sana yung ating adventure kaso sila
May mga diwata kasi.
sila na daw magpipicture. So we're gonna go down for more. But hindi, we're gonna go down this trail. Kung ano man ituturo ni Kuya sa atin.
Okay.
Ayan sila. Bababa sila. Pababa na kami sa river. Thing is, hindi pa ako nag-sunblock sa arms ko. Pwede daw umakyat sa mga bato.
Malalim, kuya.
Pwede naman swimming?
Sige na.
As you see sa mga dinadaanan ko, guys. Girl, go down!
Wait lang. Upo ka.
Oh, yes! It's so cold! Ayun na si Rian, ready to take a picture. Ang lamig na water right now. Nasa binti na yung water ko. They're still taking pictures. They're not done. They're sitting. Rate the water. 5 lang. Why 5?
Nothing. I just like 5. 7.
7. We're here sa Mahiwagang water. Say hi. There's Tita. We're in the water. Ang lamig ng water actually. There's Tita. We're planning to go up there. Pero so far, the water is very nice. The water is very cool. And madulas lang yung stones. Pero syempre, it's in the water. And mossy siya. And all. Pero right now, check out the water. Yung water kasi dito, sobrang fresh daw. Syempre, igloo. What do you expect? But there's water coming out of there also.
Ano ba? Kanina ka pa, be? Kanina ka pa, be?
Kanina pa ako. We should sit over there. May stone kasi.
Isa ka. Pinakamalaki ka.
Pupunta tayo kung saan umihi si Chelsea Torres. Pupunta tayo kung saan ka umihi. Look how pretty! Asan ba kasi yung handle nito? Ay, grabe si...
Ay,
guys,
wow!
Right now, si Rian ang mukhang mermaid right now.
Photoshoot talaga nito ni Rian.
Look at her, y'all. Look at her, guys. Can you explain what's happening here?
So ngayon, nakakakita po tayo ng nagbabandalize po dito. Dapat po kasi hindi binabandalize yung mana.
O bakit may nang-vandalize?
Alam mo, minsan dito sa mundo may mga makakapalang mukha talaga.
Tama. So, kakatapos lang namin mag-swimming sa ilog. But that was not the full swimming yet. Kasi meron pa daw sabi ng tour guide namin. We're going to the next trail. This is warm up for our hiking. It's been so long na hindi ulit ako nakakita ng river. So, it's nice to see a beautiful river again. That is in the Philippines. Of course not. Because I'm a professional. Chalet. Just watching us sa nilalakaran namin. Kasi tomorrow will be a big day. This is like totally a warm-up. Kasi mag-hiking pa kami bukas. 3 a.m. ang gising namin tomorrow. Tingnan mo yan, 3 a.m.
Hindi talaga hiking natin yun.
Bakit ka sumasabay sa akin?
Kasi gusto kita katabi. Look at how stony that was. Tingnan mo, ang stony. Gorian! So, we're on the way kung saan man to. Okay, buti na lang straight na daan na siya. Para mabilis tayo. Ang ganda na rocks here. Honestly. Like, hello? You look at those rocks. Grabe, uy. Wait lang. Woo! Look at this. Stop. Ang hirap mag-vlog. May water pa daw doon sa other side. So, yun ang titingnan namin.
Para tayo nag-ano, no? Minecraft.
Yeah. Minecraft IRL. Those were the days. Buhangin to, guys. Ang hirap akyatan. Tingnan niyo ba naman? Buhangin yan, no?
Siguro mabato talaga.
Look at that. Bababa, pataas. Grabe, nauna na si Chelsea doon. And us, we're still here. I'm low-key tired. Ang daming tain ng horse dito. Ito may mga nagpapa-horseback riding dito. Okay, dadaan na kami sa Stony Pass. Uy, gagi! Oh, okay. Ah! Another ilog, guys. Ay! Naghirap pa ako. Doon lang sila naman. The water is warmer here. I don't know why. Kasi yata pababa siya. Kaya siya warm. Pero so far, ito naman yung pinapakita ni Kuya. Kaya itatabi muna namin ang mga gamit namin. Uy, diwata daw. So we're here again.
Ano? Okay ka lang?
May bagong spot dito sa river. And it's more cozy. It's more wala masyadong tao. Kasi if you see from there, galing kami doon, nang bumaba kami here. Wala masyadong tao here. Punta daw kami doon. Tara, guys. So we're gonna go in the water again. Look at the water, guys. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Beautiful. So we're here. Oh, guys, what can you say about the river?
It's really pretty.
Yung tour guide namin, sobrang galing.
Ang galing ni Kuya.
Ang galing, oh.
Ay, bilis. Isa pa.
O, isa pa daw.
Back to back tayo.
Ay, back to back ba? Ako yung buhay.
Oo.
Ako daw yung buhay. Sila patay.
Ay, mukhang niya.
Oo. Sobrang araw.
Hindi na tayo. Sila yun.
Tama na.
Kuya. Ano mag...
O tara guys, punta tayo. So ipapatong ko yung camera somewhere if I can. I like it. Ano lang ako guys? So we're just here hanging out, talking about life. Bakit ako naninigaw? Pero the water's... Ang init na palon, guys. Kaya nga eh.
Wait, lub-lub ko.
Lug-lug mo. This is having the time of her life. I'm gonna do a little bit of cinematography. Bye. That was my cinematography. Bye. So like an incident happened like 2 minutes ago, and si Chelsea nagtapo ng hat kay Rian. Dire-diretso siya doon. Wala na yung hat. Hat pa naman ni Isa yun.
It's okay.
It's okay daw.
Mas mahalaga yung buhay nila.
I was right here. I was right here. I was going there, and Isa stopped me.
Because look at how deep that part is.
I don't care. I'm a swimmer for a reason.
Sa alon?
Yeah.
Sa alon?
Yes, sir.
I need my hat! Look at the fucking sun!
Nag-flow siya doon sa pinakadulo. Ito, tong part na to. Sayang yun eh, no?
It means another person needs it more.
How? There are not much people. Do you see people around here? It's Chelsea's fault. Edit nyo to ah. Edit mo to. It's Chelsea's fault.
I'm gonna shower when we
Freebie lang yun eh. Ha? Freebie lang yun.
Why are you making it better?
So, Chelsea had an idea. Maghanap daw kami ng Geo, whatever that is. So guys, may mga kulay din sila. Oh, there's a shell. There's a shell.
There's a tail.
There's a tail. This is a perfect stone skip. Let's try. Wow! Wow! What the hell? This one is very flat, so try na. Oh!
I found that rock.
She found the rock. She threw the rock.
Three.
Oh! It's like a
No, never mind.
Yeah, it's our sand castle.
But 2, 1, go.
Why is it life is like a rock. You have rocky friends that are doing bad stuff to you.
What?
Wala.
Like, look, we have a big rock, and we got a medium rock, and small rock. Nandito na yung snake, oh.
Perfect.
You could be this. Or you could be this.
Explain life.
It's like you build your own shape.
Very good explanation. You agree? Yeah, they agree with the very good explanation. We'll see you later.
It's like parang ano, no?
Bye. Tara na daw, guys. See you in the next one. I'll see you later. Update ko kayo mamaya. What's up, y'all? I did not get an update because we waited for 10 to 15 minutes for the ATV. Pero ang problem, hindi sila dumating. And they canceled on us. So tomorrow na lang namin gagawin. And we're here right now sa pool. That's why we're gonna try and do it tomorrow. Si Isa right now, hindi siya makapag-reach. FYI, I'm a swimmer, y'all. She's a swimmer. Video. Ano yan? Isa. Okay, let's video our hangout. Oh, day 1 pa lang kami. Ang pangit ko! Ikaw? Ay, sinusulit ko pa. Talking about case pa. It's vlogger things, you wouldn't understand.
No, I would understand because I was a unicorn vlogger.
Hi y'all, it's around 6 na ba? Yeah. Siguro mga 6:30. 6:30, yeah. 6:30. Ay. So, kami ni Isa na lang nasa tubig. And we're gonna shower. We're gonna go upstairs and shower. And then we're gonna have dinner. I'll see you guys later. Bye! Tapos na na. Okay. We just showered. So, we're going to have dinner all together. Cute nyo. Actually, nandito na pala yung dinner. We just finished our dinner. Empty plate. Empty plate. Aakit na kami sa room para makapagpahinga. Gudi mo, diba? Pero yun, aakit na kami sa room kasi mapapahinga na kami. Wake up kami ng 2, alis kami ng 3 a.m. para makadating dun sa venue kapag hiking kami. Okay, good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all. Update tomorrow.